Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am going to discuss with you on the topic types of image. Which is from your 8th class science book. Let me first know here what is image. Dear students, it is formed why reflected rays meet or appear to meet at a point. It is formed where reflected rays meet or appear to meet at a point. Dear students, image has two types. First is real image and another is virtual image. Let me take here first to the real image. What is a real image? Real image is that which is formed when reflected rays actually meet at a certain point. Is that which is formed when reflected rays actually meet at a certain point. Dear students, it is always inverted. Like this, for example, we have here an object in this form. This is its tail and this is head. It is real image will become here. Head is downwards and tail is in upper side, like this. So it is real image. And another character it has, it can be obtained on screen also. It can be obtained on screen. Dear students, now we take here the virtual image. What is it? Virtual image. Dear students, virtual image is that which is formed when the reflected rays do not meet actually, but appear to meet at a certain point. Virtual image is that which is formed when reflected rays do not meet actually but appear to meet at a certain point. Dear students, the virtual image is always correct. It is correct and of same size and the distance of object is same. For example, this is a mirror. If the object is at a distance of 1 meter from the other side, it will be at the same distance at 1 meter. So we can say the distance between object and image is distance between object and image is equal to 1 m plus 1 m, that is 2 m, 2 meter. Dear friends, it cannot obtain on screen. It is another character. It can not be obtained on screen. Dear friends, now we take here another point, that is image formed by plane mirror when point object is kept in front of it. Image formed by plane mirror when an object kept in front of it. Dear friends, as we know that this is a plane mirror. When an object is here and a ray falls on it in a straight line, the reflection, or we can say reflected ray, will also bounce back in the same direction. And sometimes the rays falls on a plane in this form and makes such type of angle on this surface. The reflected ray of this ray, this incident ray, will also be in this direction and same angle will become here. So we can say the reflected ray and reflected ray of this ray and reflected ray of this ray will not meet with each other. When we produce them further, they will not meet with each other. But if we imagine they will appear to meet in back side, if we produce this line in the same direction and this line will also produce, they will meet at this point and form an image here. So we can say they cannot meet, the reflected rays cannot meet but appear to meet at a certain point. And another point is here, they are literally inverted. They are literally inverted. Literally inverted. It means left hand side becomes right hand side and vice versa. Now we have another point here. That is lateral inversion What is it? Dear students, it is a phenomenon when left hand side becomes right hand side or vice versa when an object is appeared to plane mirror. It is a phenomenon when left hand side becomes right hand side and vice versa when an object is appeared to when an object is appeared to plane mirror. Thanks.